Enhancing the long-term value of our portfolio involves strategic planning, proactive management, market awareness, and targeted value-add initiatives. At Bixby, we employ key strategies to achieve sustainable growth and stability. First, a successful industrial portfolio rests on two core principles: location and property traits. We prioritize markets with consistent tenant demand and strong growth potential, such as proximity to population centers, coastal ports, or inland hubs. We aim for locations that will remain in demand long-term. For physical characteristics, we acquire properties that meet the needs of modern industrial occupiers with an eye towards the future. Important features include adequate clear heights, truck court and building depths, efficient access, loading capabilities, sprinkler systems, and power capacity. The second strategy revolves around diversification from a geographical and tenant mix perspective. We invest across multiple core and secondary markets nationwide to spread risk and capture varying market opportunities. We also cultivate a diverse tenant base from various industries to reduce dependence on any single sector, promoting portfolio stability. Third, we take a proactive approach with our tenants and the brokerage community. We routinely communicate with our tenants, addressing their needs and resolving issues quickly to ensure long-term retention. In the brokerage community, they are our boots-on-the-ground partners. We build strong partnerships with local leasing, capital markets, and debt teams, as their insights are crucial in an increasingly dynamic real estate market. Our fourth strategy centers on making value-add investments in our buildings with an eye towards reducing and/or mitigating increases in our operating expenses. We continually evaluate our portfolio to identify what improvements are necessary to stay competitive. For example, if a tenant outgrows our building and vacates, we may elect to refresh the interior to a white box finish with new energy-efficient LED warehouse lights, which materially lowers utility costs for future tenants. Or we may upgrade the sprinkler system capacity, which allows us to cater to a wider range of tenant requirements and permitted uses. In addition, our property management team manages operating expenses by implementing technology-driven solutions, renegotiating vendor contracts, and maintaining strict budget management. Our fifth strategy revolves around optimizing our capital structure. We use debt strategically to maximize returns while maintaining a balanced debt-to-equity ratio to manage financial risks effectively. Lastly, we continually evaluate our portfolio to identify underperforming assets that could be sold, repositioned, or redeveloped to maximize returns. By implementing these strategies, we maximize portfolio value, ensuring long-term growth and stability while remaining adaptable to changing market conditions.